And good afternoon from Commonwealth RV. Today we're taking a look at one of the cleanest late model Class A motorhomes you'll find on the market. A 2023 Jayco Precept 31UL with only 1,893 original miles. If you've been thinking about buying new, you may want to see this one first because it offers nearly new condition while saving you thousands. Built on the proven Ford F53 chassis with a powerful 7.3-liter Godzilla V8, this coach delivers outstanding reliability, smooth performance, and plenty of power for mountain driving, towing, and long-distance travel. Jayco's exclusive J-Ride Plus suspension provides a comfortable, convenient ride whether you're heading to the campground for a weekend or setting out on a cross-country adventure. Walking around the outside, you'll immediately notice the sleek, modern styling and excellent overall condition. This coach features 3 large slide-outs, creating an incredibly spacious interior once you're parked at your destination. The power patio awning provides instant shade for relaxing outdoors, while the large exterior storage compartments offer plenty of room for camping gear, chairs, grills, and everything else you'll need for an extended trip. Powering your adventures is an Onan 5.5 kilowatt generator with only 61 hours, giving you dependable power wherever your travels take you. Setup is quick and easy thanks to the automatic hydraulic leveling system, allowing you to get comfortable with the push of a button. Now let's take a step inside. One of the first things you'll notice is just how open this floor plan feels. With all 3 slide-outs extended, there's plenty of room to entertain family and friends. Simply relax after a day of exploring. The residential cabinetry, solid surface countertops, premium furnishings, and modern finishes create an upscale atmosphere that feels more like a home than an RV. The kitchen is fully equipped with residential refrigerator, microwave, 3-burner cooktop, generous counter space, and abundant storage, making meal preparation easy whether you're away for a weekend or several weeks. Across from the kitchen is a comfortable living area that's perfect for watching TV, enjoying meals, or spending quality time together after a day on the road. Towards the rear of the coach, you'll find a private bedroom with ample wardrobe storage and relaxing space to unwind. The spacious bathroom features a large shower, vanity, and additional storage, making this floor plan ideal for couples, families, or even full-time RV living. One of the biggest reasons we're excited about this coach is its condition. With fewer than 2,000 miles, only 61 generator hours, and comprehensive inspection showing the generator, leveling jacks, slide-outs, plumbing, HVAC systems, appliance, engine, brakes, suspension, and safety systems are operating properly, the Precept is ready for its next adventure. If you've been searching for a late model Class A motorhome with ultra-low miles and premium features and exceptional value, this 2023 Jayco Precept 31UL deserves a spot. To learn more, view additional photos, or schedule your personal walkthrough, visit CommonwealthRV.com or give us a call today. We welcome trades, offer competitive financing, and extended service contracts are available for qualified buyers. And remember, every motorized RV we sell is backed by the Commonwealth Buyer Promise. Before delivery, your coach will be mechanically sound, pass a Virginia safety inspection, and major systems including HVAC, plumbing, kitchen appliances, generator, leveling jacks, and slide-outs will be in good working order. You'll also receive a complete systems walkthrough with one of our certified RV technicians, and will fully disclose any known non-essential cosmetic or operational items before you take ownership. No worries with this Jayco though, it's beautiful. No pressure, no surprises, just confidence in what you're buying. Come see us today. Thanks for watching.